Our recipe for today is Binagoongan, one of the tastiest Filipino dish. Bagoong is a Filipino term of fish paste or shrimp paste. In this recipe, I am using shrimp paste. This recipe can be made from pork or chicken, or the combination of chicken and pork, cut into cubes, stewed in coconut milk, shrimp paste or bagoong, and chili peppers. This recipe has everything: rich texture, sweet, salty, creamy, and spicy. Bring in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil. Then add in the 3 cloves chopped garlic and 1 medium onion. Saute until the onion gets translucent. Then add in the 2 pounds of pork. Fry the pork until it gets golden brown. Stir every 1 or 2 minutes so that the pork will not get burned. Add in 1 cup of water. Bring to boil and simmer the pork for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the water should be evaporated now and the oil is starting to come out again from the pork. Bring in the 2 pounds of chicken. Then add in the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar will help the chicken retain its juiciness and it doesn't get dry, even it will be simmered for a longer time. 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. 1 piece of green pepper. 2 pieces of red pepper. Red pepper is just optional. If you want more spicier, you can add. But if you do not like spicy, then omit this ingredient. 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste or bagoong. Stir for about 1 minute and let the meat absorb the saltiness from the shrimp paste. Now, let's bring in the coconut milk. Simmer for about 15 minutes. I am just adding 2 tablespoons of paprika in here to add color to this recipe. But if you do not have paprika, this is optional. I hope you like and try this recipe. And if you try, please give me a comment down below and tell me how did it go. And if you're not yet a subscriber in my channel, please click the subscribe button below this video so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. Till next time, let's make cooking fun and enjoyable.